A motion was filed today to vacate the conviction of Adnan Syed.
They want to make sure they have the right person serving time for this murder.
Rabia Chaudhry on Learning the News. Chaudhry is a close family friend and public advocate for Syed, who was found guilty as a juvenile for the 1999 murder of Hae Min Lee. The motion filed supports a new trial for Syed based on a nearly year-long investigation that revealed undisclosed and newly developed information regarding two alternative suspects.
There was evidence of disclosed to the original prosecutor about one of these suspects that he had threatened the victim to kill her. And the prosecutor never disclosed that to the defense in 1999, which is the Brady violation. And that should grant Adnan a new trial on the face of it.
The motion shares further details about the two other suspects, stating they may have been involved separately or worked together. A person provided information that one of the suspects had threatened to kill the victim in the presence of someone else. The suspect said that he would, quote, make her disappear. He would kill her. As for the evidence against Syed, the motion goes on to say that evidence was not overwhelming and largely circumstantial. And there's new evidence. The location of the victim's car was directly behind the house of one of the suspect's family members. Ms. Lee's car was found parked in a grassy lot behind the 300 block of Edgewood Avenue in Baltimore City, a location known to one of the suspects. Syed's attorney, Assistant Public Defender Erica Suter, and director of the Innocence Project Clinic at the University of Baltimore said, Mr. Syed is grateful that this information has finally seen the light of day and looks forward to his day in court. So what's next? A judge will hold a hearing on the motion. If the judge grants that motion, Syed is released. Lisa Robinson, WBAL TV 11 News.